using the Bare Necessities palette by Colourpop. With an Essence blending brush, I'm going to take the shade On Holiday. And I'm going to blend this shade all over the crease area. The Morphe JH32, I'm going to take the shade Tabloid, which is a warmer brown shade, and right into the lower crease area. And then I'm going to take the shade Velveteen with a Luxie medium ankle brush, a Luxie 207. Keep this right in my outer V. So now I'm gonna cut my crease. Cut my crease with the Plouise Shade 2 eyeshadow base. And with a Morphe JH41, I'm going to take the shade Pricks Fixie. On an Essence Smoky brush, I'm going to take the shade Spyglass and tap that in my outer corner. And I just dragged it a little bit up and over. Just gonna go ahead and apply some wing eyeliner. With the Sigma E25, I'm going to take the shade Velveteen and apply that to my under eye. With the Real Techniques detailer brush, I'm going to take the shade Rumored. My inner corner. So I applied Kiss Lashes Naked Drama in the style Veil.